Imagine this, you sent a WhatsApp message to your AI, for example, cancel my 3 p.m. meeting and email the client. And it just does it. No browser tab, no app switching, just done. That's OpenClaw. And today I am going to show you exactly how to install it in your Windows PC, step by step. But before we get into installation part, let me quickly explain what OpenClaw actually is, why it is blowing up right now, and why you should care. So stay till the end because I will show you one security setting most people skip that could expose your entire machine. And of course, if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe, as in this channel our whole objective is to elevate your experience with AI and AI tools. Alright, so let me first of all give you a quick explanation of OpenClaw. So OpenClaw in simplest term is your personal AI assistant that run on your local machine. Not on somebody's cloud, but in your computer system. And the crazy part, you do not interact with it through some special app. You talk to it through messaging app you already use. For example, WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, Signal, and even iMessage. There are over 50 channels supported. Now you might be thinking of how this app is different than ChatGPT or Cloud. Well, that's a great question. And here is the difference. When we talk about ChatGPT or Cloud, you go to them, you open browser, type a prompt and get a response. However, OpenClaw is just opposite. It comes to you, it's always running in the background in your machine. You message it from wherever you are, your phone, your laptop, any app, and it replies. It can read your email, manage your calendar, run shell command, browse the web, control smart home devices, search your files, all from a single conversation. So that's how OpenClaw is different than ChatGPT. Now let's talk about why you should install it. Number one, you can automate your entire workflow, be it an email, calendar, reminder, file management, you name it. Second reason, you can run any AI model, be it Cloud, GPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, or even local model learning Ollama. Third reason is your data stay local, everything is stored in your machine, no cloud companies has your conversations. Then the fourth one is it has skills-based system, which you might have seen in case of Cloud as well. And fifth and the last one is it has memory. It remembers your preferences, past conversations, and it adapts accordingly. Alright, enough of our talk. Let's see how easy it is to install it. And I'm going to talk about PowerShell way of installing it because that one I find the simplest one. For that, first of all, I'm going to press Windows button here and I'm going to type PowerShell and I'm going to run it as an administrator. Now here, let me also open OpenClaw website, which is openclaw.ai. So here is the code that we need to paste in our PowerShell. When we talk about Windows, so here you need to, select the Windows and then need to click on one-liner. And now I'm going to copy this command and then let's go back here in PowerShell and let's make a right click by clicking on this title bar and you need to go to edit and need to click on paste. Now after, let's hit enter. And now here you can see the OpenClaw installer has begun. Now it may be possible that it may download node.js. So if it downloads node.js, you do not need to worry about, you can actually download it. You need to have node.js. Now here what we are seeing is the status of OpenClaw installation. So let's wait for a while till OpenClaw install. Now after some time you're gonna see this message which says OpenClaw successfully installed. You simply click and then you need to simply click here and there inside your PowerShell. And now here let me quickly go through quick start guide which kind of help you to quickly get started. And there we go. Here we can see we have now our own custom personal AI assistant ready, which run locally on your machine, not on somebody's or some company's cloud network. And you can see here the AI I am using is OpenAI, and actually I authorize it through Cloud through OpenAI Codex. Now one more thing I wanted to talk about, let's say during the setup, especially configuration in case of auth, If you do not use any paid LLM, for example ChatGPT, Cloud, in that case one can also go with Ollama, which is free. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational, and that's wrap up this video, which shows that how one can download and install OpenClaw in case of Windows 11. If you have got any question related to entire process, please do let us know. We will try to help you as soon as possible.